how much should you actually spend on an earwax removal cleaner? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Lebtil Electric Ear Cleaner. First up is the Lebtil Electric Ear Cleaning Kit, priced at $39.99. What caught my attention? It has 4 pressure modes and even a light to help you see inside your ear. If you want a safe and effective way to flush out earwax from home, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product solves your problem. The 4 different cleaning modes, normal, soft, pulse, power, cater to different sensitivities, which is great if you're worried about discomfort while cleaning your ears. Plus, the 5 LED lights really help illuminate the ear canal, letting you see what you're doing. Over 2,600 reviews give it an impressive 4.5-star rating, with more than 1,000 people buying it in just the past month. Now, some folks complained about the water pressure being too strong, which could potentially lead to discomfort. Here's the thing though, if you use the lower settings and take your time, it's not a deal breaker. It's absolutely manageable for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a thorough cleaning option at home without having to see a doctor. Skip this one if you're looking for something quick and disposable, but for value, it offers a lot. Now, if that water pressure concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a unique tank design. Product number 2, KAUGIC Earwax Removal Kit. Next on the list is the KAUGIC Upgraded Earwax Removal, priced at $59.98. I was intrigued by its one-piece tank that combines clean and waste water, making the cleaning process a breeze. If you want an efficient and safe way to manage earwax at home, you should consider this. Why does this matter for you specifically? The seamless tank design means you won't have to deal with messy setups. It dispenses and collects water all in one go. Plus, it has an overheat protection feature, so if the water gets too hot, it automatically stops, preventing burns. With a rating of 4.3 stars from 2,800 reviews, it's clear that many people appreciate its innovation. However, some users pointed out that the device can be a bit bulky to handle. But honestly, if you value safety and convenience, this is a small trade-off for a device that's far more efficient than the old-school methods. This is perfect for you if you want a high-tech ear cleaning experience that prioritizes safety. Skip this one if you're looking for a more compact solution. Overall, it's a solid investment for your ear health. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a simpler manual approach. Product number 3, Kleiner Ear Cleaners 36 Count. Now let's talk about the Kleiner Ear Cleaners, priced at just $13.99. What caught my attention? They offer gentle canal cleaning and itch relief, which is pretty essential. If you want something affordable and effective for quick earwax removal, this is worth considering. They're not just about removal, they can help with ear itch too, making them a multitasking hero. With 21,800 reviews and a solid 4.1-star rating, a lot of people trust these for regular ear maintenance. Now, some reviews mentioned that they didn't last long with heavy use. But here's the thing, if you follow the cleaning guidelines, they can actually be reused multiple times, making them a practical and affordable solution. This is perfect for you if you want a cost-effective way to manage earwax that you can use anytime. Skip this if you prefer an electric solution, but for the price, it's a great buy. Now, if you like the Kleiner's gentle approach but want something even more portable, check this next product out. Product number 4, Kleiner Ear Cleaners 10 Count. The fourth product is another Kleiner option, this time with a 10 count for $5.73. Yes, it's budget-friendly. I like that they maintain the same gentle cleaning approach as the larger pack. If you need a quick and easy solution for occasional ear cleaning, this is definitely worth a look. Why does this matter? Similar to the 36 count, this smaller pack features a flexible scoop and fin that allow for safe ear cleaning. They're designed to be used multiple times, so you're not just tossing them out after one use. With the same 4.1-star rating as the other Kleiner option, they've clearly made a name for themselves. However, some users found the smaller count a bit too limited for regular use. But honestly, if you're just looking for something to keep around for when you need it, this is a good fit. If you clean your ears infrequently, these will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want an easy, no-fuss solution for maintaining ear hygiene without breaking the bank. Skip this if you require something for more frequent use, as you might need to stock up more often. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more tech behind it, let's move to our final product. Product number 5, KAUGIC Semi-Transparent Ear Cleaner. Lastly, we have another version of the KAUGIC ear cleaner priced at $59.98. It offers the same great features as the previous one, including the innovative one-piece tank design. If you're after a clear view of the cleaning process, this semi-transparent model could be ideal for you. Here's why this product is beneficial. The transparent design allows you to see the water flow and cleaning action, giving you peace of mind that it's doing its job. It still features the smart temperature control and IPX7 waterproofing, making it versatile for use in the shower. With a good 4.3-star rating from the same number of users, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some people commented on the slightly higher price compared to other manual options. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about ear hygiene and want a reliable, effective way to do it, this is worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want an advanced cleaning experience and appreciate the transparency in the process. Skip this if you prefer something simpler and cheaper, but for the quality, it's a strong pick. To wrap it up, we looked at some solid options today. The Lebtul and KAUGIC electric cleaners provide convenience and efficiency, while the Kleiner tools offer budget-friendly alternatives for manual cleaning. Each has its strengths depending on your need, whether you prefer high-tech gadgets or simple tools. Choose what fits your lifestyle best.